Usually when you're looking for, a loan that is not going to, that's for bad credit, the terms are not going to be the best. That does not mean that you're stuck in that loan forever, okay? I want you guys to remember that. Everything can be paid off by something else or refinanced, okay? Sometimes the companies will say, hey, do you need to borrow more money? Let us refinance you. They'll throw that term around loosely like it's a refinance when really it's not. They close out the old account, they open up a new one, and you have a new term, new interest rate, all that jazz. Now, we're talking about having terms that are not the best and then improving your credit score and then getting another personal loan to pay off that personal loan, or getting a credit card with a cash advance to pay off that personal loan if the numbers make sense. Okay, so all these things have to make sense. So obviously, if you're, let's say for example, you get a personal loan at 20%, you then improve your credit score, a year goes by, and now you can get a personal loan for 10%. You want to take out the new personal loan for 10% and pay off the old loan at 20%. Okay, why would you want to do that? Because you have a better interest rate. That's going to be a better payment, and you're going to pay off the loan a bit faster as well too. Majority of that will be going to the principal. Now, if you've had a loan for, let's say, 3 years and you got 6 months left, that would make no sense to get a better personal loan. You want to do it before you get to 30% of the loan. So anywhere between 100% to 30% left, because the numbers got to make sense. Otherwise, you're just borrowing money at a better rate just to borrow money at a better rate. Okay, it's got to make sense. Like you're paying $600 a month, and then you've been doing this for 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, and then you qualify for a better loan, and then you just use the new loan to pay off the old loan, and that's how you're able to do that. Okay, so those are my suggestions if you're looking to improve your not improve your credit score, but if you're looking to improve your chances of getting approved, for a personal loan if you don't have the best credit. All right. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.